Official change of address confirmation. For me. I don't see it for
What's
you.
this?
Freedom mortgage. I'm gonna right. I didn't like She goes in our refrigerator. We need a space for the refrigerator. Mom, look.
What's that?
Who's that?
Arlen. She's so cute. Thanks for checking the mail, Mom. Finally.
No,
That's from Christmas.
I saw the guy, the post, the truck, and I ran.